Alright guys, welcome back. We got something new today. We got this at Sterlingkit for 30 bucks. So this is probably the smallest FPV card there is. Here's just some of the stuff it includes. So you got headlight, tail light, some lighting, and it does have full proportional steering, so that's pretty cool. So it looks like there's a QR code for a feature video and for the app that you got to download. So let's go ahead, let's pop this thing open. Got some instructions. Here's the little camera. And here it is. Dang. I mean, look how tiny that is. That is pretty small. And it is, I believe, magnetic, so yep. This thing is pretty tiny. Pretty crazy how they included everything in this little guy. So here's a 1/10 scale truck. Look how tiny that thing is. Honestly, I could probably put it inside here and just use it as a little FPV camera. Yeah, it's crazy. Pretty sure we could drive underneath it too. Just turn on the car. It's blinking. Okay, here's the app. Turn on Wi-Fi. Then you gotta try this. Press that. There we go. Here we go. Now we can drive this thing around. So the taillights do come over. That's kind of cool. So when you go backwards, even the taillights work. That's cool. Probably go under this truck. Yeah, this thing's tiny. So you could click right here, and then this is where you add the speed. So let's see how fast this thing is right now. Oh, that's actually pretty zippy. Oh shoot. Oh! So not only can you change the throttle speed, but you could also change how the steering limit. So I turned it all the way up, so we'll see how tight of the corners we could do. Oh yeah, yeah, it could turn really good. Oh shoot. Honestly, this kind of reminds me of Home Alone. I forgot which one it was. I think the third one, where he attached like a camera to an RC car and he was like driving inside the house. This is kind of what it reminds me of. But yeah, this is a fun toy. Like, you know, just something different. But this is pretty cool. It's only 30 bucks. And you know, it's pretty fun. I had my kids play with this, and they enjoy playing with this thing. It is a little bit rocky here, but we'll see how far we could drive. The nice thing though, on the app, you could just switch it to one-hand drive. So let's do that. Record. Alright, let's see how far we could drive with this thing. Ah! Got stuck. Yeah, it's a little rocky here. Go, go, go. Okay, outside is probably not the best to take this thing out. Unless you got a really smooth road, this thing might be able to drive up. So, I would probably say stick indoors with this thing. I mean, this thing is pretty tiny, so we'll fit in a lot of places. So there you guys go, the smallest FPV RC car. If you guys want to, I'll have a link down below. You guys could go check it out. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.